Today we are talking about how to clean your HVAC coils. So in your HVAC system, generally the popular setup you're going to find is you have an outdoor unit and you have an indoor unit. The outdoor unit has your condenser coil, your compressor, your fan. The indoor unit is going to have your evaporator coil, your evaporator drain lines, your blower, your air filter. That's what your air handler connects to your ductwork. The unit outside is what dissipates the heat. The unit inside is what provides cool air throughout your building. So a general rule of thumb when you clean your outdoor coil, you want to use a garden hose and spray from the inside out ideally, and always turn off the power before you clean your coils for safety. They make products in spray cans like you see here. The one on the left is for your outdoor coil. You spray that on, it's like a foam, and you rinse it off with a garden hose. The one on the right is a no-rinse formula designed for your evaporator coil inside your building. So you spray that on, it'll foam up and then slowly run off into the drip pan. And then you can rinse out the drip pan and it'll go out the P-trap to your floor drain or outside your building. Keep in mind, some manufacturers do not want you using chemicals to clean the coils. Usually there'll be a sticker or a data plate telling you use water only. And then also you want to make sure you keep your condensate P-trap clean. Ideally, if you have a service access cap for your condensate drain line, that's ideal. Or if you can take apart all these PVC pipe fittings and inspect the inside and clean them out gently with a pipe cleaner or a wire hanger or a piece of flexible rubber tubing or a wet dry shop vac. You want to make sure that not only is your coil clean inside your air handler, but the condensate drip pan is clean and the condensate drain line is clean all the way out to the exterior of the building or to your floor drain. That's important because if that clogs up and water backs up, water can start to overflow out of that drip pan, causing damage to your unit. It can cause rusting and corrosion inside the unit. If that water starts to collect a lot of dust and debris and dead bugs, as the air flows through there, you can pick up that and it'll make the air smell bad. It can put potentially mold and mildew in the air. So it really is important to keep all that clean. If your evaporator coil and condenser coil freeze up with ice or are clogged with dog hair, grass, lint, dirt, the unit will not operate efficiently. It can overheat, reduce the lifespan of the HVAC unit. So it's vital to keep your coils clean. I hope this video helped. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover.